Alright, let's talk about credit score today. Have you ever been told to carry a little debt to build your credit score? Or that closing an old credit card you never use will tidy up your finances? Both sound responsible, both can quietly drop your score. Let's fix that in a few minutes with real numbers. Your credit score is just a number, usually from 300 to 850. It's really a bet. It answers one question. If a lender hands you money, will you pay it back? A high number means cheaper loans, easier approvals, sometimes even a cheaper apartment. A low number means higher interest or a flat no. On a mortgage, the gap between a great score and a poor one can cost you tens of thousands. So it's worth knowing what actually moves it. Your score is cooked from 5 ingredients. Two of them do most of the work. Ingredient 1, the big one, payment history. Do you pay on time? That's about a third of your whole score. Miss a payment by a month, and the good score can fall 50 to 100 points. And that one slip can sit on your report for 7 years. So the most powerful move is boring. Pay every bill on time, every time. Ingredient 2, almost as big. How much of your available credit you're using. This is called your utilization. Let me show you what it means. Say you have two credit cards. Each has a limit of $5,000. Together, that's $10,000 of credit available to you. Right now, you owe 4,000 across the two of them. 4,000 owed out of the 10,000 available is 40% utilization. The rule of thumb, keep the number under 30%. Lower is better. 40% is a bit high, so it's gently pushing your score down. Now here's the trap. You never use the second card, so you decide to close it. Feels tidy, but closing it deletes its $5,000 limit. Now you only have only 5,000 of credit available and you still owe 4,000. Your utilization just leapt from 40% to 80%. You didn't borrow one extra dollar and your score still dropped. That's myth number one. Closing an unused card often hurts you, not helps. Myth number two, that you have to carry a balance to build credit. You don't. Paying your card off in full every month builds credit perfectly. Carrying a balance just means you pay interest for nothing. The score rewards using credit, not paying interest on it. Myth number three, that checking your own score hurts it. It doesn't. Looking at your own score is a soft check, totally harmless. What does ding you is a hard check when you apply for a new card or loan. Each application costs a few points for a few months. Just don't apply for 5 things in 1 week. Back to the recipe. The last three ingredients are smaller. The ingredient 3 is the age of your account. Older is better. That's the real reason closing your oldest card stings twice. Ingredient 4, your mix. A card plus a car loan looks better than a card alone. Ingredient 5, how recently you've gone shopping for new credit. Those three together are only about a third of your score, so don't obsess over them. Now, what's surprisingly not in your score at all? Your income. A big salary does not raise your score by a single point. Your savings, job, age, where you live, none of it counts. The score sees one thing only, how you've handled borrow money. So a millionaire who pays late can score worse than a student who pays on time. So here's the whole thing in one breath. Pay on time. Keep your balances low against your limits. Keep your old accounts open. Do those three, ignore the myths, and the number climbs on its own. It's not a personality test, it's just a track record. Before you go, one quick favor. Is there something school never actually taught you? Something you've always nodded along to but never really understood? Put it in the comments and I'll draw it out for you badly. Because somehow, the worse the drawing, the better it sticks. Worst artist you'll ever learn from. Best teacher you've got. So, drop your topic below. See you in the next one.